Are high-yield savings accounts the new king of investing? As markets swing wildly, many Americans are making a quiet switch. But is it the smart move? With interest rates rising, these accounts offer security and growth. No more sleepless nights over stock market dips. It's a safe haven for your hard-earned cash. So, are you ready to make the switch? Comment below with your thoughts on this investment trend.
In today's financial landscape, with inflation cooling but interest rates still high, the dilemma is real. Should you play it safe with savings or dive into the stock market? Savings accounts offer security, but with interest rates barely keeping up with inflation, your money might be losing value. On the flip side, stocks can provide growth potential, but they come with volatility and risk. It's a balancing act. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you need liquidity and peace of mind, savings might be your best bet. But if you're in it for the long haul and can weather the ups and downs, stocks could be the way to go. Ultimately, it's about finding the right mix that aligns with your financial strategy. High-yield savings accounts are booming right now, offering over 4.5% APY. Can you believe that? Just a few years ago, we were lucky to see 1%. Platforms like Ally, SoFi, and Marcus are seeing record deposits, and it's no wonder why. People are drawn to the security of these accounts, knowing their money is safe and accessible. Plus, with stable returns, it's a smart way to grow your savings without the risks of the stock market. It's a game changer for anyone looking to make their money work harder. I never thought I'd feel this way about investing, but after the market chaos of 2022 to 2024, I'm honestly burnt out. Watching my portfolio swing wildly, losing money one day and barely recovering the next, was exhausting. It's like riding a roller coaster with no safety bar. Now I find myself gravitating toward low-risk savings options. Sure, the returns are modest, but at least my money feels safe. It's a tough lesson, but sometimes preserving what you have is more important than chasing the next big win. Stability over volatility. Who knew that would become my new mantra? On paper, stocks seem like the clear winner, averaging 7 to 10% returns over the long haul. But here's the twist. High-yield accounts are now offering a solid 4.5% with zero risk and daily access to your cash. It's a classic trade-off, certainty versus growth. Sure, stocks can soar, but they can also crash. With those high-yield accounts, you know exactly what you're getting. So, are you chasing the thrill of potential gains or playing it safe with guaranteed returns? It's a decision that could shape your financial future. High-yield accounts are a game changer for anyone looking to save smartly. Picture this. You're building an emergency fund or saving for that dream vacation. With these accounts, your cash isn't just sitting there, it's actually growing, even if it's just a little above inflation. They keep your money safe and easily accessible, so you can grab it when you need it without any hassle. Plus, unlike traditional savings accounts, you're earning more interest, which means your short-term goals are within reach faster. It's a simple way to make your money work harder for you. Investing in stocks for long-term goals like retirement is a game changer. Think about it. Compound interest and dividends are your best friends. They work together to build true wealth over time. Sure, the market can be a roller coaster and volatility can be nerve-wracking, but that's part of the journey. If you can ride out the ups and downs and stay committed, you'll reap the rewards. It's all about patience and perspective. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, it's cultivated over years. So buckle up and invest for the long haul. Let's dive into the financial choices of Sarah and Mike. Sarah plays it safe, earning $450 risk-free in a year. Smart move, right? But then there's Mike, who's in the market game. He could snag $700 or face a $500 loss. It's a gamble. Over 5 years, though, if Mike stays the course, his average gains could really stack up. It's all about risk versus reward. Sarah's steady income feels secure, but Mike's potential for growth could lead to much bigger returns. Which path would you choose?
When it comes to managing your finances, understanding the role of a high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is crucial. Experts emphasize that a HYSA is a great complement to your investment portfolio, but it shouldn't be your sole focus. Think of it as a safety net, ideal for short-term savings and emergencies, while your investments can grow over the long haul. Balancing both allows you to maximize returns without sacrificing security. So, keep that mindset. A HYSA enhances your financial strategy, but it's not a replacement for it. In 2025, the smartest financial strategy is all about balance. Think of high-yield savings accounts as your safety net, offering liquidity and peace of mind. You can access your cash anytime while earning interest that outpaces inflation. But don't stop there. Investing in stocks is where the real long-term wealth grows. It's about playing the long game, riding out the ups and downs of the market. So why choose one over the other? Use both. Keep your savings secure while letting your investments work for you. That's how you build a solid financial future.
Was this helpful? Smash the like button, comment below. Stocks or savings? Let's break it down. Stocks can offer higher returns, but they come with risk. If you're willing to ride the market's ups and downs, you might see your money grow significantly over time. On the other hand, savings accounts are safe and stable, but the interest rates often barely keep up with inflation. So, if you want to build wealth, consider a mix of both. Stocks for growth, savings for security. What's your strategy? Let's hear it. Tracking your financial goals is crucial, and apps like Mint or YNAB make it easy. They help you budget, monitor spending, and stay on top of your savings. Plus, if you want to maximize your interest, check out NerdWallet to compare high-yield savings account rates. It's all about making your money work for you. Remember, money that sleeps just shrinks. So take action now. Set those goals, track your progress, and watch your savings grow.